Hmm. They got this open for the residents to go in and out. You know, this ain't the old project though. I remember back then, people used to park their cars in the project. I remember that. Mhm. Yeah, my family members parked their cars in the project, the Lafitte that is, and we stood in the Saint Bernard. Huh. Let's see. Hmm. Never mind that. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. In a new pumping station as far as that. Damn, pool ain't deep like it used to, as far as I know. Hmm. Got the fenced off right here. It was because of the parade season. Nobody ain't allowed to park their cars around here. Well, only residents only, or they'll get towed away. I guess, guess, I guess. I meant to say, I guess it's resident and invited guests only. As far as that, sure can't wait to move from around here one day. You know, I ain't gonna be living back here forever. You know, not for the rest of my life. You know, plan on leaving this or from around here, this part of town. I don't know. You know, we don't know. National Renaissance. Uh, this is open for the residents. Yep. Hmm. Yes, indeed. There's a cute chick right there, but never mind, huh? Not interested. Screw that. Oh well. Y'all couldn't see her anyway because of this damn camera. Hmm. Oh well. Down I go.